Vikram, 7-8 years back, the Chinese
We were
said...
as big as China for most of human history.
No, we were, but we missed the bus for a long time, and there's no room in the world for two great manufacturing powers. It is China and the rest.
We were a greater manufacturing power than China till the British came.
We were. Then colonization started, the Industrial Revolution started. We were looted of $45 trillion by Great Britain from 1757 to 1947. You know all the history. The Nehru came and added insult to injury by getting in bad policies, and his daughter continued that till 91 when we had to open up because we had no option. China has 30% of global manufacturing. For us, manufacturing a share of GDP is 15%. It may go to 20% by 2030. The world has surplus goods because of China. The Chinese said we'll invest $150 billion in AI 7 years ago. They invested. The second largest power in AI, maybe more sophisticated than US in many ways. And the Chinese said we're going to invest in EV, invested $300 billion in 10 years. The largest superpower in EV today.
You have to grow. You have to grow really fast. You have to build your capabilities. You have to build your military capabilities, your economic capabilities, your social capabilities, everything else, right? You were saying that the policies that Nehru followed. Now, it's become very fashionable to blame Nehru for
It's not fashionable, it's data.
Fine. So there were certain things that Nehru, you also agreed, did correctly.
He did many good things, many bad things.
Yeah, some good things. So the policies that actually were probably the ones that held India back was when you don't trust your own people, when you have licenses and quotas and permissions and say that you are shackling private enterprise. You're shackling the inherent...
Economic freedom of the people, which was promised to us by the Constitution in 1950, was shackled. The First Amendment was taking away the right to property. Remember? First Amendment was taking away the right to property. First Amendment in 1951 or 52. Yes, they wanted to remove the zamindaris and all that. They were the challenge. But they could.
There's also a certain historical perspective in the socialism, communism. At that time, the world was divided. But I'm just coming back to the fact
nobody oppresses their own people in the name of ideology like Nehru did economically.